Introducing the Oakley Men's Tincan Hat, a sleek and modern essential designed for both performance and style. Crafted with a premium blend of 96.8% polyester and 3.2% elastane, this fitted cap offers durability, with just the right amount of stretch for a comfortable, secure fit. The curved brim not only adds a classic look but also provides reliable sun protection, making it ideal for outdoor activities and everyday wear. Equipped with a moisture-wicking sweatband, the Tincan hat keeps you cool and dry even during long hours of use. Imported with Oakley's signature craftsmanship, it reflects the brand's commitment to quality and innovation. Whether you're heading out for sports, casual outings, or simply elevating your daily style, this cap is a versatile accessory you can rely on. For more information and to purchase the Oakley Men's Tincan Hat, check out the Amazon link in the description below.